Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I have a gift for you. I'm gonna read it for you. I love you, Daddy. In my mind, Daddy, I love you because you support our family. You are the best dad ever. Now let's go on with the questions.
First, tell us about your dad.
My dad is a strong man and supports our family and helps us.
Okay, first question is, what do you like most about your daddy?
My dad, one I like the most is he's a shipman. And also he sees on board. And that's what I like most.
Next is, what do you miss about your dad?
I miss about my dad is when we played tennis together.
Next, what present did you receive from your dad that you loved the most?
The present that I received from my dad was roller shoes. It was my favorite.
What do you want to do when your dad comes back?
I want to hug him and welcome him.
Last is, can you give a message to your dad?
Yeah. Daddy, I love you. I miss you so much. Next one. Bye-bye.